is used as an entrainer for the separation of acetic acid-water mixture by distillation. A. Furfuryl. B. Benzol. C. Butyl acetate. D. Hexane. The correct answer is butyl acetate. Rotary dryers cannot handle materials. A. Free-flowing. B. Dry. C. Sticky. D. Granular. The correct answer is sticky. Pick out the correct statement. A. Diffusivity decreases with increase in temperature. B. Diffusivity increases with increase in molecular weight. C. Diffusivity increases with the size of the individual molecule. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. An example of elution is A. Separation of uranium oxide from its ore by H2SO4 in a Pachuca tank. B. Separation of sugar from sugar beet by hot water. C. Dissolution of tannin out of tree barks by water. D. Recovery of vegetable oils from seeds. The correct answer is separation of uranium oxide from its ore by H2SO4 in a Pachuca tank. The operating line for an absorber is curved when plotted in terms of A. Mole fractions. B. Mole ratios. C. Partial pressure. D. Mass fractions. The correct answer is partial pressure. Relative volatility does not change appreciably with the change in A. Temperature. B. Vapor pressure of either component. C. Total pressure. D. None of these. The correct answer is temperature. Boiling point diagram is not affected by the ambient A. Pressure. B. Humidity. C. Temperature. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is both B and C. The dew point of a saturated gas phase equals the temperature A. Gas. B. Room. C. Wet bulb. D. None of these. The correct answer is gas. A solid material shows case hardening properties while drying. Which of the following should be controlled to control the drying process? A. Flow rate of inlet air. B. Relative humidity of outlet air. C. Humidity of inlet air. D. Temperature of the solid. The correct answer is temperature of the solid. In case of liquid-liquid binary diffusion, diffusivity of one constituent into another is not dependent on the A. Temperature and pressure. B. Concentration. C. Nature of the constituents. D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. For continuous drying of granular or crystalline material, the dryer used is the dryer A. Tunnel. B. Tray. C. Rotary. D. None of these. The correct answer is rotary. When adsorption hysteresis is observed, the desorption equilibrium pressure is that obtained by adsorption. A. Always lower than. B. Always higher than. C. Same as. D. Dependent on the system, can be either lower or higher than. The correct answer is always lower than. Moisture in a substance exerting an equilibrium vapor pressure less than that of pure liquid at the same temperature is called the moisture A. Bound. B. Unbound. C. Critical. D. None of these. The correct answer is bound. For a binary mixture with low relative volatility, continuous rectification to get pure products will require A. Low reflux ratio. B. Less number of trays. C. Small cross-section column. D. High reflux ratio. The correct answer is high reflux ratio. The efficiency of a plate column will be maximum when the flow is ideal. The plate A. Across. B. Above. C. Both A. B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A. B. Heat load in a cooling tower. A means the amount of heat thrown away, K call HR, by the cooling tower. B is equal to the number of kg of water circulated times the cooling range. C both A B. D neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A B. In case of absorption with exothermic reaction for fluids having APRSC, percentage change in heat and mass transfer flux will be the same for a given change in the degree of turbulence. BPRSC1 total mass momentum and thermal diffusivity will be the same. C both A and B. DPRSC there won't be any change in heat and mass transfer flux with changes in degree of turbulence. The correct answer is both A and B. Detergent solution is dried to a powder in A spray dryer, B spouted bed dryer, C tunnel dryer, D pan open to atmosphere. The correct answer is spray dryer. Which of the following mixtures does not form an azeotrope at atmospheric pressure? A water alcohol, B methyl alcohol acetone, C butyl acetate water, D none of these. The correct answer is none of these. During bottling of cold drinks e.g. Pepsi, the main resistance to mass transfer for the absorption of carbon dioxide in water lies in the A gas film, B liquid film, C liquid gas interface, D none of these. The correct answer is liquid film. The overall mass transfer coefficient for the absorption of SO2 in air with dilute NaOH solution can be increased substantially by A. Increasing the gas film coefficient, B. Increasing the liquid film coefficient, C. Increasing the total pressure, D. Decreasing the total pressure. The correct answer is increasing the gas film coefficient. Flooding results in A. High tray efficiency, B. Low tray efficiency, C. High gas velocity, D. Good contact between the fluids. The correct answer is low tray efficiency. For the air-water system under ambient conditions, the adiabatic saturation temperature and the wet bulb temperature are nearly equal because A. Water has a high latent heat of evaporation, B. Lewis number is close to unity, C. They are always equal under all circumstances, D. Solubility of the components of air in water is very small. The correct answer is water has a high latent heat of evaporation. In an operating distillation column, the A. vapors and liquids are at their dew point and bubble point respectively. B. Driving force for the liquid flow is its specific weight. C. Driving force for the vapor flow is the pressure drop as the pressure decreases gradually from the bottom to the top of the column. D. Highest temperature is encountered at the top of the column. The correct answer is driving force for the vapor flow is the pressure drop as the pressure decreases gradually from the bottom to the top of the column. In a forced draft cooling tower, water is cooled from 95 to 80 floor by exposure to air with a wet bulb temperature of 70 floor. In this case, the A. range is 15 F, B. approach is 10 F, C. both A B, D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A B. The diffusivity D in a binary gas mixture is related to the temperature T as A dt, B dt 0.5, C dt 1.5, D dt 2. The correct answer is dt 1.5. For which of the following unit operations Lewis number is of significance? A. Adsorption, B. Binary distillation, C. Gas absorption, D. Humidification. The correct answer is humidification. Tray spacing in a distillation column of dia 10-12 feet used in petroleum refinery may be around inches. A. 5, B. 30, C. 60, D. 100. The correct answer is 30. If A1 and A2 are the relative volatilities when the pressure in the distillation column is 1 and 2 atm respectively. Pick out the correct statement. A1 A2. B A1 2 A2. C A1 0.5 A2. D none of these. The correct answer is none of these. The dimension of diffusivity is same as that of the A density, B molar concentration, C kinematic viscosity, D velocity head. The correct answer is kinematic viscosity. The temperature to which a vapor-gas mixture must be cooled at varying humidity to become saturated is called the temperature. A dew point, B wet bulb, C dry bulb, D none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Entrainer used in azeotropic distillation should A. Form a low boiling azeotrope with one of the constituents of the mixture. B. Form a new azeotrope of low relative volatility with one of the constituents of the mixture. C. Have high latent heat of vaporization. D. Have high viscosity to provide high tray efficiency. The correct answer is form a low boiling azeotrope with one of the constituents of the mixture. In case of steam distillation, the steam leaving the liquid is not completely saturated with distillate vapor because A. Temperature is less. B. Total pressure is less. C. Mixing of steam with the material being vaporized is not so intimate as to result in equilibrium condition. D. Saturated steam is used for steam distillation. The correct answer is mixing of steam with the material being vaporized is not so intimate as to result in equilibrium condition. Pick out the wrong statement. A. The operating line always lies above the equilibrium solubility curve in case of a single component absorber. B. The operating line always lies below the equilibrium solubility curve in case of a single component stripper. C. The operating pressure in solvent extraction system should be below vapor pressures of all components. D. The solubility of a particular gas in ideal solution in any solvent is always the same. The correct answer is the operating pressure in solvent extraction system should be below vapor pressures of all components. Leaching of coffee from coffee beans is done by A. Hot water, B. Hexane, C. Lime water, D. Dilute H2SO4 hot. The correct answer is hot water. For contacting a highly soluble gas with a liquid, A. Bubble the gas through liquid, B. Spray the liquid on gas stream, C. Either A or B would suffice, D. None of these. The correct answer is bubble the gas through liquid. During drying operation it is easier to remove the moisture. A. Equilibrium, B. Critical, C. Unbound, D. Bound. The correct answer is unbound. With increase in solvent rate, the number of transfer units entog for a fixed degree of absorption from a fixed amount of gas. A. Increases, B. Decreases, C. Decreases linearly, D. Remains unaffected. The correct answer is decreases. Ion exchange process is similar to A. Absorption, B. Adsorption, C. Extraction, D. Leaching. The correct answer is adsorption. A distillation column with end plates is being operated under normal conditions. At some point of time the operation is shifted to total reflux condition, i.e. no product and residue are being withdrawn and feed to the column is stopped. At the new steady state, A. Composition of vapors and that of liquid do not vary throughout the column. B. Reboiler load and condenser load are minimum. C. The top and bottom compositions are unchanged with and without total reflux. D. The top and bottom compositions correspond to the maximum enrichment available. The correct answer is The top and bottom compositions correspond to the maximum enrichment available. Dryer widely used in a textile industry is dryer. A. Festoon. B. Cylinder. C. Conveyor. D. Tunnel. The correct answer is conveyor. Solvent used in extractive distillation. A. Changes the relative volatility of the original components. B. Should be of high volatility. C. Should form azeotropes with the original components. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is changes the relative volatility of the original components. Air at a particular humidity is heated in a furnace. The new dew point. A. Decreases. B. Increases. C. Depends on the extent of heating. D. Remain unchanged. The correct answer is increases. In a packed tower, the value of HETP equals HTUOG when the equilibrium and the operating lines are where HETP height equivalent to a theoretical plate HTUOG overall gas phase height of a transfer unit. A. Straight. B. Parallel. C. Both A, B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A, B. The vapor pressure exerted by the moisture contained in a wet solid depends upon the A. Nature of the moisture. B. Temperature. C. Nature of the solid. D. All A, B, and C. The correct answer is all A, B, and C. Smoke is an example of A. Solid dispersed in liquid. B. Solid dispersed in gas. C. Liquid dispersed in gas. D. Gas dispersed in liquid. The correct answer is solid dispersed in gas. Which of the following adsorbent is used in the refining of sugar? A. Bone charcoal. B. Wood charcoal. C. Silica gel. D. Activated clay. The correct answer is bone charcoal. Stacked packing compared to dumped packing. A. Provides poorer contact between the fluids. B. Gives lower pressure drop. C. Both A and B. D. Gives higher pressure drop. The correct answer is both A and B. In McCabe-Thiele method of theoretical plate calculation for a distillation column, the operating lines of stripping and rectifying sections coincide with the diagonal at reflux. A. Total. B. Minimum. C. Operating. D. Maximum permissible. The correct answer is total.